What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to use YouTube Redux. So, here's the home page layout. So, we have the old YouTube logo, the old search bar, the old upload icon, and the old sign-in icon. So, here's the sidebar. It's a pretty accurate recreation. Alright, so there's some bugs they still need to fix. Videos don't underline when you select them. Options don't darken when you hover over them. Ignore that. They sort of just darken a tiny bit. I don't know why it wants you to open in a new tab when you click on it to make it darken, yeah. Alright. So we're gonna go to the search bar and then type in my name. Alright, so here's the search page. They still need to fix the subscribe button right there too. So, the channel page. So, subscriber counts in a different place. Profile pictures in a different place. The subscribe button's in a different place. The only fix they've done to the channel pages, which was back in June 2021, is making the channel page less wide. So, the channel page doesn't touch the sides. Alright, so let's go to the video page. It's supposed to say add to and share.
Nothing dims my light like a migraine.
Ignore that ad. Please ignore that ad. Please. It's really broken because it's on a phone. So, yeah. I'll show you the settings. So, you can actually pause the video and copy my settings if you had YouTube Redux installed. But yeah, this is pretty much how you do YouTube Redux. Well, I hope you